Hey guys! Today on Ubix Toys we're adding to our Integrity Toys collection, and for the first time a brand new The Monarchs Homme fashion figure Tajinder Chowdhury from the Atmosphere collection, which is only available from IT dealers. This mini capsule of two fashion dolls contains the Chowdhury Indian twins, Tajinder and Dalpinder, who have the Callum Sculpt. I only ordered Tajinder, titled Desert Winds. This collection is designed by Vaughn Sawyer. He's a limited edition of 625 figures. His price is $175. Well, $175 for a doll is a lot, but as you will see later, his outfit and all the accessories are to die for, and well executed. Let's take a look at the box and remove the tissue paper. We have a navy blue box with the black Monarchs logo on it. Very fancy. At the back of the box we have the same Monarchs logo and some product and warning information. The box opens with a magnetic sleeve. Now let's take a closer look at Tajinder. Wow, he's really nice. His skin tone is light honey and he has flocked black hair. He has a micro tweed flat cap, breezy linen trousers with matching sleeveless vest, a loose fitted linen shirt, which are all very well made. We have the yellow accessory compartment. Look at these accessories, awesome. The scarf. The second pair of hands. The shoes. The sunglasses and watch. The necklace and earrings, and the braided bracelet. Here's the certificate. The number is Here is the base of the stand with the Monarchs logo on it. And the ribbons to undo. His gorgeous face. His hands and feet are very shiny, not very aesthetic in my opinion. Let's take a look at the stand. I love the design with the matte side and shiny text. Very luxurious. I've never had a stand like this before. It seems solid and stable to me. But the only thing that I don't like at all are the black parts that stick out under his arms. They are not great to look at when you display your dolls on the shelf. Now let's take a closer look at the accessories. The second pair of hands, still very shiny but very well detailed. The micro tweed flat cap with pins to hold it on his head. The chiffon scarf, very elegant and nice miniature one. The brocade side shoes, they're great. I'm rarely so enthusiastic about the accessories, but this time they set the bar high. The micro chain necklace and mini hoop earrings. The Wayfarer sunglasses and the watch. Love this. I want a watch for each doll. What do you think of him? Don't hesitate to comment. I really hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of Tajinder Chowdhury, Dessert Wins. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay safe. I'll see you guys again very soon. Goodbye.